Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning video transitions. So what is video transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro? Video transition is an effect in between two video clips or medias for creating some kind of animation. You can take a look. I placed some video clips in my timeline from our exercise file. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the third one, and I have some more two video clips. So let me play the first video clips. You can take a look when my first video clip is finished, and when the second video clip is starts, there is nothing happens in between two video clips. Let me play once again. There is nothing happens as because I did not added any kind of video transitions in between these two video clips, and that's why we did not find any kind of animation. But let me play this second video clips, and this is the third one, and I added a dissolve transition in between two video clips. So let me play this one. You can take a look. We have a dissolve animation effect or dissolve effect in between the second and the third video clip. So let me play once again. Okay, we have a dissolve transition video effect in between the second and the third one. So let me play the third and fourth one. We have the veer effect as well, and let me play the fourth and fifth one. As you can see, I have added the video transition effect in between the second, third, fourth, and fifth video clip. So let me play the fourth video clip, and we have a zoom video transition effect, and that's called the video transitions. So let's take a look how you will add video transitions in Adobe Premiere Pro. So right now we have to import some videos from our exercise file, and that's why we have to go for file menu, import option, and from our exercise file I want to import intro elements 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to import them all, and that's why you just have to select them all, and then you have to click open. Okay, so this is my files, and at first I want to place this intro element 2, these video clips, in my timeline. So you just have to drag and drop these video clips, and this is the video clips. So let me zoom in my timeline. Okay, cool. You just have to push this bar at left, then you will have a zoom in your timeline. Okay, so this is our video clip, and I want to import another video clip. So let me import this intro elements 3, and I want to place it after the intro elements 2. Okay, cool. I want to mute this video clips as because you can take a look, we have some audio files along with this video clip. So let me play this one. So you just hear that a music is playing in background, but I don't want to play the audio part right now, and that's why you just have to click on this M option, and it's used for mute track. You can take a look. This is our audio track 1, this is the audio track 2. This is the indication A1, that means audio track 1, A2, that means audio track 2. So our audio file placed in A1, that's why we have to mute this A1 track, and that's why you just have to click M on A1, that means audio track 1, and this is the mute track. And when you will click on this mute track, only the A1 audio track will be muted. So let me click on this M, and you can take a look, it's enabled right now. So let me play this clip once again. So no music is right now. Okay, so we have to add the video transitions. So let's add the video transitions in between these two clips. We have intro elements 2 and intro elements 3, and we are going to add a video transition effect in between intro elements 2 and 3. So let's do that. Before adding the transition in between these two video clips, I want to show you what happened when this intro elements 2 video clip is going to be end and intro elements 3 video clip is going to be started. So let me place the indication bar over here and let me play this video clip. You can take a look, there is nothing happens when intro elements 2 video clip is going to be finished and when intro elements 3 video clip is going to be started. Let me play once again. Nothing happened, just it's a change the video clips from one to another, but we don't want to keep like that. We want to add some animated transition, and that's why we have to add video transition. So where you will get the video transition effect in Adobe Premiere Pro, you will get video transition effect inside the effects workspace, and this is the effects workspace. So let me show you. Okay, this is the effect panel and this is the video transitions folder, and inside this video transitions folder you will get different type of video transition effects. So let me open this video transition folder, and that's why you just have to click on this arrow mark, and here are the folders like 3D motions, dissolve, immersive, iris, page fill, slide, wipe, zoom. Okay, but if you want to open this effects or video transition folder inside the project panel, and if you want to continue the editing, in that case you can do that. So let's get back to editing workspace. Okay, this is our editing workspace, and I want to use, or I want to put the video transition effects inside the project panel or beside the project panel, and that's why you just have to click over this indication point, then you will get this effects option. So let me click over here. Okay, effects tab opened beside the project panel, and initially I want to apply the dissolve transition effect in between these two video clips. So this is the dissolve folder, and I want to open this dissolve folder. So you just have to click over here. Okay, so there are different type of dissolve transitions are available inside the dissolve folder, like additive dissolve, cross dissolve, deep to black, deep to white, film dissolve, and many more. So I want to go for cross dissolve. I want to place this cross dissolve transition effect in between these two video clips, and that's why you just have to use drag and drop method. So let me drag this cross dissolve transition and let me drop in between these two video clip. Cool, you can take a look. The cross dissolve video transition is placed in between these two video clips. So let me zoom out my timeline, and that's why you just have to pull this bar at right. Okay, cool. So let me place the indication bar over here at intro elements 2 video, and then let me play this clip. Okay, you can take a look. We have cross dissolve video transition applied in between these two video clip. Let me play once again from here. Okay, you can take a look. The video is dissolving when the intro elements 2 video is going to be finished, and when the intro elements 3 video is going to be started, it's happen at dissolve transitions. Okay, cool. So this is our cross dissolve, and if you want to modify this cross dissolve, you can do it very easily. So let me show you how you will modify the cross dissolve transition in between these two video clips. Right now we have the cross dissolve transition placed in between the center of two video clips, but if you want to modify, or if you want to change the position or place of this transition, you can do that easily. So let me show you, and you just have to click on this cross dissolve transition, and then the setting panel will be opened here. So right now we have 50% cross dissolve transition at left video clip and 50% cross dissolve transition placed in right video clip. But I don't want to place this cross dissolve 50% for the left video clip. I want to place this 100% cross dissolve video transition at right video clip. And how you will place that? You can place that very easily. You just have to use your mouse and you just have to push it right. Okay, now you can take a look. We don't have any cross dissolve transition in our left video clip, and full 100% transition is placed for the right video clip. So let me place the indication bar over here and let me play the video clip. Okay, you can take a look right now. This dissolve animation is started from the second one. Okay, previously it started from the first one as because we had the 50% transition in our first video clip. As we place the entire transition at second, that's why it's started, or the transition animation is started from the second one. Let me play once again. Okay, cool. Okay, we just learned how you will place the transition about the percentage or positions in between the two video clips, and right now we're going to learn about the duration. So I want to get back like before. I want to place the 50% transition for the left one and the 50% transition for the right one, and that's why you just have to use your mouse over here, and when the icon will be like that, not like that, when the icon will be like that, then you can able to pull and place the transition once again. And you can take a look in our timeline. We have 50% transition at left and 50% transition at right, but I want to keep the transition for left side, but I want to increase the duration at right side. How you can do that? You can do that very easily. To increase the duration for right, you just have to use your mouse, and when you will place the mouse in the transition, you have to place the mouse at the end of the transition, and when the icon of mouse cursor will be look like that, like an anchor, then you have to pull the transition at right. Okay, cool. And you can take a look right now. We have the long duration for the right video clip. So let me place that indication bar over here and let me play the video clips. And you can take a look, it's performing for a long. So let me place once again. Okay, cool. So it's just performed a less for the left video clip and it's performed for a long for the right video clip. So this is how you can increase the duration of transition in video clip in between the two video clips in Premiere Pro. So right now I want to apply some others video transitions in our video clips, and that's why I have to go back to my project panel. You will get the project panel when you will click on this arrow mark, and this is the project panel. So let me click over the project. Okay, so right now we have two video clips over here, and I want to add some more video clip to apply more transitions in our video clips, and that's why I want to zoom out the timeline area. Okay, so let me play some other video clips like intro elements 5, and I want to place it over here. Let me place intro element 4. Let me place intro element 6. Okay, so we have more 3 video clips over here, and I'm going to apply some more transition effect for these video clips, and that's why we have to get back to our effect tab. and you know where you have to click on this arrow mark, and here is the effects tab. So let me click over this effects, and this is the effects tab. So we added dissolve transition for the first and the second one, and for the second and third one I want to apply this immersive video transition effect, and that's why you just have to open this folder. So let me open this folder. Okay, so this is the video transition effect, and it's especially for VR effect. Like I want to apply this VR spherical blur transition for the second and third one, and that's why you just have to drag and drop this VR spherical blur transition, and let me put it over here. And you can take a look, the VR spherical blur transition is placed in between the second and the third video clip. Okay, so let me play the video clip from the second one. And you can take a look, we have the VR spherical blur transition effect performed in between the second and third video clip. So let me play once again. Okay, cool. Right now I want to apply another transition in between the third and fourth video clip, and that's why I want to use this iris video transition effect over here. So let me open the iris video transition folder, and you will have iris box, cross, diamond, and round transition available inside the folder. So I want to place the iris diamond transition, and you just have to drag and drop this transition from here to our video timeline. You can take a look, this transition is placed between the third and fourth video clip. So let me place the indication bar over here, and let me play the video clip. Okay, you can take a look, the iris diamond video transition performed in between the third and fourth video clip. Okay, cool. So let me place another video transition like the wipe. So I want to go for wipe, and we have number of wipe transition available over here, and I want to go for pinwheel. So I want to use this pinwheel transition, and I want to place it in between the last video clips. Okay, you can take a look, it's placed in between the fourth and fifth video clip. So let me place the indication bar over here, and let me play the video clip. Okay, you can take a look, the pinwheel transition is performed in between the fourth and fifth video clip. Let me play once again. Okay, cool. So we have cross dissolve, veer, iris, and pinwheel transition applied in our video clips. So let me play from beginning to end. So let me place the indication bar over here, and let me play the video clips. Okay, cross dissolve is performed, veer transition is performed, iris diamond is performed, and here is the pinwheel transition is performed. So this is how you will apply different type of a video transition effect in your video clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. So you learned how to apply the transitions. So let's have some practice.